There's a lot of clients who would like to keep their car, maybe keep something that they purchased through RC Willey, or maybe even keep their home after filing of a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. You're entitled to keep those items as long as you're current on the plan payments. However, in order for you to keep your vehicle, you do have to sign what's called a reaffirmation agreement. A reaffirmation agreement is nothing more than an agreement that says, yes, I'm going to continue to pay on the contract that I obligated myself to. So that means that your payment will remain the same, the interest rate will remain the same, and the balance will remain the same. Understand that they don't have to offer you a reaffirmation agreement. Quite often, a mortgage lender won't. If the mortgage lender doesn't offer you a reaffirmation agreement, you're still entitled to keep the home. As long as you're current with the payments, you are still the title owner on the home. If you don't sign a reaffirmation agreement, however, they don't have to report to your credit bureau. They don't have to send out statements, but you do have an obligation to keep the payment current. They do have an obligation to at least let you know if there's a change in payment. If you don't sign a reaffirmation agreement with regard to your automobile, even though you may be current, the automobile lender has the right to come and repossess the car because there's no longer a debt against the vehicle. With regard to companies like RC Willey, Best Buy, they have what's called a purchase money security agreement. With a purchase money security interest, they have the right to repossess property that you purchased from their store. Anytime a company provides you the money to buy their stuff, they get to retain an interest, and that's called a purchase money security interest. If you fail to file a reaffirmation agreement, they have the right to come and get their property. So it's usually in your best interest if you want to keep those items to reaffirm the debt, and most of the time, most of your lenders, most of your creditors will send out a reaffirmation agreement to our office. We'll get in touch with you and have you sign it and then return it to them. It has to be filed prior to your discharge date. So the sooner those are signed and and you get those back to us, the sooner we can make sure that they're filed with the court. If this has been helpful to you, we do have more videos that you can view. We'd also like you to maybe call us for an appointment. If you call us now, we can go ahead and set up a time for you to come in. We can meet with you and see if we can alleviate some of the pain and distress that you're going through. Or you can visit our website where you can get a little bit more information there as well.